Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're checking out the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, latest flagship, and it's getting attention for all the right reasons. With a unique design, a top-tier camera system, powerful internals, and serious battery upgrades, it's built to compete with the best in the market. In this review, I'll break down the key features, real-world performance, and what you should know before buying. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. It's built using a frosted matte glass back and aluminum frame, and the phone feels solid in hand. It's around 8.78 mm thick and weighs about 226 grams. Not exactly light, but manageable considering the hardware inside. No flashy lights or gimmicks, just a solid, elegant flagship look. On the front, you get a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with QHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz variable refresh rate. It's smooth, color accurate, and supports HDR10+. Peak brightness hits around 2,300 nits. Bright enough for outdoor use. The bezels are minimal and the curved edges give it that modern flagship feel. Watching content, gaming, and scrolling all feel fluid and sharp. The camera setup is one of the main selling points. You're looking at a quad camera array on the back, all 50MP sensors. That includes a main sensor, ultra-wide, and two periscope zoom lenses, one for 3x zoom, the other for 6x. That's not something you see often. All the lenses are tuned by Hasselblad, and image quality is excellent. Colors are natural, dynamic range is solid, and low light performance is reliable. The zoom lenses work surprisingly well, maintaining good detail even at longer distances. For video, you get up to 4K at 60 FPS with strong stabilization. Whether it's day or night, stills or video, this is one of the best camera systems you'll find in a smartphone right now. The Find X8 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite Edition, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It's fast, responsive, and handles everything from multitasking to gaming with zero lags. The battery is a big highlight. Oppo uses a 6100 mAh silicon carbon battery, which offers excellent endurance. Even with heavy use, you're looking at a full day and more. Lighter users can stretch it into the second day. Charging is fast. 100W wired charging takes you from 0 to 98% in around 30 minutes. You also get 50W wireless charging, which is still faster than many phones' wired speeds. It runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. The interface is polished and fast, with plenty of customization options. It's generally smooth, but keep in mind, this phone is currently only launched in China, so if you're importing it, you might face some limitations with Google services or regional apps unless you install them manually. You're also getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint scanner, and full 5G support. There's no official IP rating, so water resistance isn't guaranteed. Overall, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra delivers serious flagship performance, amazing cameras, great battery life, and one of the best displays around. The only downside is limited availability outside China, but if you can get your hands on it, it's a top-tier device. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely gonna be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.